Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about formatting in Bash so that we can change the colors in the command line for the text that we are printing. For this we are going to use the command echo and the flag E. This will enable the processing for the backslashes and the commands that related to it. So for the formatting we need the backslash E. Then we need this bracket. This is a standard format for this purpose, so you always need to specify this format slash and E in the bracket. So then we need to specify the color number. In this case I'm going to use the 34. Then I'm going to close with an M. Then I need to specify my string and to tell Bash that we are finishing to displaying this format, we need to do the same but with the value 0 and, and we close with the M. If I do this, as you can see, the text is printing in blue. But we can also combine with another formatting by using the semicolon. Let's say the 101 code, which is the background color, and as you can see now is red and combining with the blue string. And finally we can add more formatting. I'm going to use the code 1. This is for applying bold to my string, and as you can see is representing the three formats in the same line: the background, the string in blue, and bold. And also, if you want to do the same in a programming language, let's say Python, then we need to change a bit. Let's see, instead of using E, we have to use 033, which is a Python code, well, programming code actually, because this can be used in C++ and other languages. The same, I'm going to use 33 and the classic hello world, and I'm going to close with the same 0m. And as you can see, the string is also colored, in this case in yellow. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Thanks.